Hey guys, this is David over at Blueline Rock Grizzly, and this is a beastly 6-7 yard, 6-inch minus dynamic dampening, high performance Blueline Rock Grizzly. This machine is going all the way to Sweetwater, Texas. Special thank you over to Derik from Georgia Pacific for ordering this beautiful machine. Now, this machine is built right for big loaders. If you do happen to get a stuck nugget on there, all you gotta do is keep feeding it with the loader and it'll knock any obstruction out of its way. So all Blueline Rock Grizzlies are filled with dynamic dampening material. Every single Blueline has the deck bars filled with dynamic dampening materials, as well as the front walls. So this causes three things to happen. Number one, it adds weight, which is a huge comparative advantage to any other Grizzly on the market. Number two, it knocks out the vibration, which helps keep the integrity of the welds and the structure. Number three, it knocks out the noise. So when you're processing, sometimes you're in a noise-sensitive environment. So the dynamic dampening material really helps in quiet down the pinging and noise that happens when you're processing. Thank you so much for the relationship, and we know that this Grizzly will serve you well. Once again, my name is David from Blueline Rock Grizzly, and we will see you guys for the next one. Peace.
Come on, get your split on.